What's up everyone, Joey Antonelli here, and these fish are chewing hard. We got a hurricane that's supposed to be here in a couple days. And there they are out there just going nuts. We're gonna go get them. Those things are absolutely freaking out. This is what we want. Holy crap. Holy crap, this is insane. Oh, there he goes. We stuck one. Woo! All right, we stuck one of them on the HydroMinnow. Fishing 80-pound fluorocarbon, so we got a lot of pressure on this fish. Try to keep that plug in a good spot. All right, look at these things just going nuts. These things are going nuts out there. Sick. All right, you guys might notice I'm using a little bit different gear. I'm using my shield, which is normally my boat reel. These things just going off. And I'm using a different rod. This is a Star Paraflex. The only reason I don't have my Tsunami carbon, oh my god, oh, that just did something weird. The only reason I don't have my Tsunami Salt X rod is they're borrowing it right now, filming in Costa Rica, because that was a prototype rod. They don't have a lot of them. So I'm using Old Reliable here. And so far, so good. It's a good fish though, it's a really good fish. Woo! Look at him jumping out there. And we're putting the heat to them. No hour-long fights going on. I just want to hook another fish. This is awesome. Pre-hurricane chew is what this is. We got hurricane out there. This is sick. And man, I'm telling you, we are putting some serious pressure on this fish. If he throws it, I don't care, because that just means I get to keep casting. He's coming into the trough, probably right around where that wave is. Come on, buddy. Now we got an onshore wind with lots of water misting, so that's why I keep wiping off the lens. Hopefully it's staying clear enough for you guys. There he is. He's gonna give us a jump right in the trough. Right there. Just hanging right there in the trough. It's a nice 80-pound fish or so. Come on, show me that jump. There he is. Nice. Woo! Dig in. This is sick. Oh. Good pumps, good pumps. Tighten up a little bit on them. Not a lot, because we don't want to pop them off. We don't want to break the line. Oh man, look at that thing. Beautiful. Oh, he's digging. He got under that one. Coming up for a jump. There he goes. Sick jump. He's right there. Nice fish. Zigzagging back and forth, but we got a lot of pressure on him, so we should be stopping him soon, hopefully. He's fighting harder than we thought. It's crazy. I thought I had him there a little while ago.
I thought he was right here.
We got him turned and he's coming back. There we go. Good pumps, good pumps. Oh man, he's digging under that wave. There we go. Turned him again. But he got his head right back. Oh, he's sitting right there in the trough. Sick. This thing is pulling so hard. Right there. All right, he's right there in the trough. Come on. It's getting close. A little bit bigger than yesterday's. Woo! Sick jumps. Come on, we want to get you off. Back out there, buddy. Oh man, they just shake that tail and go.
I don't know how you're not exhausted.
See, I live for this. Come on, buddy. Oh, there he goes, rolling out there. Hopefully this is his last one. We're gonna try to, as soon as he slows down, we're gonna try to turn him. All right, have a good night. Oh guys, I'm exhausted. My battery died and I couldn't switch batteries while fighting that fish, but that was freaking sick. We got a long walk back. There's a look at the lure, HydroMinnow. Works really good. Woo! So you don't get to see one of them, but you saw some really sick jumps. Hopefully you guys are happy with that and that epic blow up that we were seeing. But yeah, that's about it. Pretty sure this video is going up on Sunday, so everyone that's in the Florida area, good luck, be safe. Not sure if I'm staying or leaving yet, but if I do stay, I'll be covering it. I'll probably go live on Instagram or something if you guys follow me on there, H2O Vinyl Designs. Cover the hurricane that we got coming. But that was awesome, guys. Subscribe to the channel if you like it. Check out the website, H2O Vinyl Designs, and I'll see you in the next video. Later.